Like and subscribe for more tips. Clindamycin is a topical antibiotic used primarily for treating acne. It has specific antibacterial properties that inhibit the growth of certain bacteria, including Staphylococcus aureus, which is often associated with acne. It is typically applied to the affected areas of the skin after cleansing. Users are advised to consider appropriate moisturizers during treatment to avoid dryness. Lavender can help with acne in several ways. Antiseptic properties. Lavender has natural antiseptic and antimicrobial properties which can help prevent the growth of acne-causing bacteria on the skin. Anti-inflammatory effects. The anti-inflammatory properties of lavender can help reduce redness, swelling, and irritation associated with acne, providing relief and promoting healing. Balancing oil production. Lavender oil may help regulate sebum production, which can be particularly beneficial for those with oily skin, thereby reducing the likelihood of clogged pores. Promoting healing. Lavender can aid in the healing process after acne lesions, potentially reducing scarring and promoting a more even skin tone. Soothing skin. The calming scent of lavender can also help alleviate stress, which is sometimes a trigger for acne flare-ups. Glycerin soap base is a popular choice for soap making, providing an easy and safe method to create soap at home. It typically comes in a 1 kilogram weight and is clear, making it suitable for various designs and customizations. You can simply melt the base, add your desired fragrances, colors, and any additional ingredients, then pour it into molds to create your friends. If I receive many requests from you, we will post the video of how to make this clear soap base on the channel. So please let us know through message, like, and subscribe. Note that if your grinder does not grind the ingredients well, it is necessary to filter the powder through a sieve. The first soap we made, we add some tea tree oil and vitamin E to the rest of the soap liquid to make it stronger second soap. You can always use these two types of soap as an anti-acne and acne prevention daily routine. It is better to let the soap foam stay on the skin for 1 to 2 minutes and then rinse. Friends, if I receive many requests from you, we will post the video of how to make this clear soap base on the channel. So please let us know through message, like and subscribe.